Insert cool stuff right here. Little giants, giants. Little giants, giants. You ready? Look, how should I begin this? I am so terrific. They don't know what hit them, so they looking like, what is this? Came a long way from my dreadlock days. Now I'm putting beats in the grave for a living. What that make me? A legend and I'm living. What that make you? Number 2, Scottie Pippen. The fans on the net put me all up on their playlist. When I browse, we connect. Anthony Davis. S.A. Killer going hard like the asphalt. Bad salt flows, how I eat a rapper mask off. Beat the beat up, that's what I call assault. 2 chains, look at what the cash bought. For 2 slaves, thinking that they got the swag sauce. Till I investigate the scene like Matlock. Case closed, now I got the game Matlock. Posted up like an Instagram snapshot. It's just for anyone who knows what it feels like to be fully capable but still pick last. Hell nah, skip that, nah, we don't quit fast, cause we are little cause we are This is for the swaggerless, swagged out, backpack, class clown, cool kids, mascots, white tees and ascots, bummy style, or Christian Dior and the Chuck Taylor wearers, cause you can't afford Jordan. Skinny girls, thick girls, even the big girls, they all need love, they don't get enough in this world. Emos, the gots, nerds and the jocks. Whether you in high school or you're not, the lesbians and gays, the thespians and plays. We don't hate nobody, let go grab some Chick-fil-A. Little giants come and get the hell up out the way. And we flash mob deep, clear the streets, it ain't safe. White killer, rap gorilla. KC came from alongside the river. Everybody feel it, you can't deny the realest. Somebody please tell them we's in the building. It's just for anyone who knows what it feels like to be the dopest out there but still pick last. Hell nah, skip that, nah, we don't quit fast, you know why? We are yeah. But still pick last. Hell nah, skip that, nah, we don't quit fast, cause we are yeah, we are. Yeah, Killio, I got him. It's like I gotta blow it off the Richter. Follow play schemes till I become the victor. The annexation of Puerto Rico, you fumbled on the one, I'll just pick it up from here. I become the hero from zero. Shorty on the block, they used to slap box with the motor cats till I came home with black eyes and fat knots. Amped up, who you tryna punk, fam? Cool, put the J's on them, show 'em what it's like to get jumpin', man. I represent the skinny dudes, 32 waist, buck 45 guys, specs on my face, Malcolm X frames. I should dye my hair red, copper M1 and keep my eye on the lanes. In my own lane, no brake pads, half of y'all the reason why I kinda sorta hate rap. But it's all love, I'm just being defiant. Stomping with the big dogs like a little giant.
And it feels like we've come so far, and they'll know just who we are. Now I know for sure that we are all little giants.